Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you 2 more easy summer treats. We're going to start with Kool-aid Sherbet. This one's super easy and it requires only 3 ingredients. You're going to need 1 package of Kool-Aid, any flavor you want. I am using orange, 2/3 cups of sugar, and 3 cups of milk. Mix all the ingredients in a medium bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and freeze it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, it should look like this, partially frozen. To give it the smoothness sherbet tends to have, we're going to mix it in a standing or hand mixer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Place the mixture back in the bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and freeze it until it sets. Mine took around 4 hours, but you can also just leave it overnight. This sherbet was super easy to make, and you can make it in so many flavors and store them in the freezer for up to a month. Next, we have frozen yogurt bark. For these, you will need 1 1/2 cups of vanilla, strawberry, and blueberry yogurt, sliced strawberries, and blueberries. Line a 9x13 baking sheet with parchment paper, then start adding spoonfuls of yogurt overlapping the flavors. Then, take a small spatula and spread the yogurt all around evenly. Next, add the strawberries and the blueberries. Cover the baking sheet with plastic wrap and freeze it until it sets. When the yogurt's set, carefully use a knife to go all around the edges to remove it from the pan. You can cut the bark with your hands or use a knife for smoother cuts. To store it, simply add a few pieces of bark in a Ziploc bag and place them back in your freezer. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you like this video and try these recipes at home. Don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and click on the notifications bell so you don't miss on any of my future videos.